Hi guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I've got a big surprise for you guys. It's really exciting. Since it's the holidays, I will be doing videos Mondays and Fridays. Or any day of the week when I want to. Because it's the holidays, yeah. That's not the surprise, but the actual surprise is, you ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm going to the Blue Mountains, and then I'm gonna vlog there, and then you could see it for yourself, because I've never been there, and I'm really excited, and I'm going on a road trip.
Same as me, I'm going there too.
Yeah, we're going overnight. This, next Wednesday.
Yep. Well,
On the 6th of, July.
I don't know, but
Yeah.
if it rains, we can't.
If it rains, we have to go,
Another day.
we have to go, I think, the next week after, the 6th of July.
Yeah.
But if we don't get to even go there because it rained the whole holidays, we're going on a school week. Yeah. And then I'll vlog there. We'll go to the zoo. Maybe we'll see snow. It's a surprise. And we get to stay over at a motel with a friend. You probably know her from the that Brazilian party. Yeah, her name is Maria. She's coming with us. Yeah, she's driving us there. It's only, it's so close to Sydney. I'll be really excited. It's only Saturday. I can't wait that long. I'm overreacting. I am too excited. It's only one night. I have to enjoy myself. I will vlog. I'm overreacting. There's nothing to do in the video today. Don't leave me. It's raining. There's nothing to do. We can't leave. I'm gonna grab my blanket. We can't leave home. Everything I can do is go to Zone Bowling, which I'm doing tonight. Also, did you see our newest video? Did you see one of our newest video? Dinosaur Invasion. It's so awesome.
Guys, if you, since my channel just got out, can you please search, just write Gus, and then Gustavo Hijira will show up, then press it, then you see my channel. I will have some videos.
Please subscribe to my brother's channel. Please subscribe to mine.
I only have 6 subscribers, please.
I'm gonna tell you some rainy day activities.
And today at night, we're going to
Zone Bowling.
Yeah.
Yes, Mane.
Did you already say that?
Bye.
No. I'll be getting in here all the time so I never sleep.
Sorry guys. Yes, Mane, just yeah. We're going to Zone Bowling this evening with Maria, the same girl. Oh my god, I had so much fun doing the dinosaur invasion video. It was the best. Zara voiced the dinosaur. I'm gonna really miss this house when I go to Blue Mountains for a whole day. Yeah. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please please subscribe if you ever traveled. And now, let's get to some rainy day activities. First one, get in a blanket, grab a plushie, snuggle up, roll into a little ball, and then roll around. Number 2. Make a book. It's really easy, you know. I made millions. You can watch all of my books in my channel below. So please go watch that. It's really easy to make a book. Yeah, it's really easy to make a book. This is my newest, The Dream Team. It's based on a real game. So, if you're watching this, Zara, Arcus, Wilson, and MMA, this book is for you. This book has lots of awesome stuff. Do you want me to read it? Of course you want to. The Dream Team by Isabella Shiraganachi. The beginning. Okay, Cuban, are you sure you can film? Yes. Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm in the Dream Team. Hi! Ah! Emma! You got me. I'll go dry up. Phew. Hi, I'm MMA. What should I give for MMA? I don't know. A present? When? Huh? For Valentine's Day. Stomp, stomp. I heard you. Stop it. Ah. Hi. I'm back. Me too. We are missing Zara. Coming. Here. Guys. Talk. Whoosh, snatch, bang, boom. They were in another dimension. I like suspense books. Not really. I like mysteries. I like action, drama, comedy, every type. Yeah. Next thing, make some art. It's really easy to make some art. Grab a canvas, grab a big piece of paper, draw, sketch, paint. Here are some examples. I've got this cactus here. I've got a few up there if you want me to show that. There are a lot of things that I made. I would love to show you. Next rainy day activity, read a Pusheen book. The Many Lives of Pusheen the Cat. Really good book, funny book. I really like this book. I would be reading this all day if I could. Like, now, starting now. The Many Lives of Pusheen the Cat. This book is awesome. There are millions of types of Pusheen the cats. Pusheen, Pusheenacorn, Super Pusheenacorn, Mermaid Pusheen, Pusheenasaurus and Dinosheens, Pastel Pusheens, Dragon Sheen, Detective Pusheen, Pug Sheen, or watch some YouTube videos, get some merch. Like here's from one of my favorite YouTube channels, Mariah Elizabeth. Shout out to her. I love her videos. I've got Georgie, my personal favorite, and I've got Little Picky, my little Pickle the dinosaur. Helps me sleep. Pickle the dinosaur, really good one. Yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching. I know it hasn't been that interesting, but still, I'm gonna get my ears pierced. So, if you're watching this, I would love to say to you, thank you. You are probably someone I know, because lots of people that I know watch this channel. Shout out to Arcos. Shout out to Oscar. Shout out to Ayana and Zara. Shout out to Gus, my brother. And shout out to all the other people that are subscribed. Thank you for watching. I hope you use maybe at least one tip. Yeah. Hey, look at this. Yeah. Look at this slime thing. And. Interesting. This is later. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on Monday. Yay! Bye-bye, guys. Love you all. Shout out to all my subscribers. Shout out to all my friends that watch my videos. Thank you all for watching. Remember, this is the place where the fun never ends. Bye-bye, guys.